Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of innovative and exciting two-wheeled adventures. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Aventon Aventia. If you're a cycling enthusiast or someone in search of the perfect ride for your next adventure, you're in the right place. Join us as we explore the features and capabilities of the Aventon Aventia. The Aventon Aventia is a remarkable addition to the world of electric bicycles, designed to elevate your riding experience to new heights. In this video, we'll uncover the key aspects that make the Aventon Aventia stand out from the crowd. Let's start by diving into some of the standout features of the Aventon Aventia. Electric power. At the heart of the Aventia is its powerful electric motor, providing you with a seamless and effortless riding experience. Whether you're commuting through the city or tackling rugged trails, the Aventon Aventia's electric assist will have you covered. Range. One of the most impressive aspects of the Aventon Aventia is its exceptional range. With a high-capacity battery, you can enjoy long rides without worrying about running out of power. It's the perfect companion for those who crave adventure. Durable build. The Aventon Aventia is built to last, featuring a rugged frame that can handle various terrains. Its durability ensures that you can explore off-road trails with confidence. Comfortable ride. With its ergonomic design and comfortable seating, the Aventon Aventia offers a smooth and enjoyable ride. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to hours of comfortable cycling. Intuitive controls. The Aventia comes equipped with user-friendly controls that make it easy to adjust settings and customize your ride. Whether you're a novice or an experienced rider, you'll appreciate the simplicity of these controls. Safety. Aventon prioritizes your safety, and the Aventia is no exception. It features reliable brakes and lighting systems to keep you safe during your rides, even in low-light conditions. Adventure ready. As the name suggests, the Aventon Aventia is ready for any adventure you throw at it. Whether you're exploring new trails or embarking on a long-distance journey, this e-bike is your ideal companion. In conclusion, the Aventon Aventia is a game-changer in the world of electric bicycles. Its combination of power, range, durability, comfort, and safety make it a top choice for riders seeking the ultimate adventure. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Aventon Aventia. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with fellow cycling enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and insights. Until next time, happy riding!